Subvocalization, or how reading works. A wedding ring is a piece of metal, but it represents much more. A flag is a colorful cloth, but it represents much more. Both items are symbols of something more meaningful. The first step to understanding reading and learning how to double your reading speed is to recognize that words work the same way. Words are symbols that represent something more. What is a word? A word is a symbol. If you think about it, somewhere way back in time, people decided that every time they combine the letters TREE, they are going to think about a tall, leafy object with a brown bark-crusted trunk. The sound we make with the tree is an audible symbol for the actual object. We think about our partners when we look at our wedding rings. In the same way, we think about an actual tree when we hear the sound tree. The cool part about this symbol is that our minds don't have to do much work. We are automatically trained from the time we are young what to think of when we hear tree or any other word.